I've always loved solving puzzles. Maybe that's why I went into engineering. There's something satisfying about getting all those pieces to fit together. Now that I actually work as an engineer, that's a lot harder than it used to be. Good collaboration with my finance, procurement, and production teams isn't enough. These days, a problem with a single supplier or distributor or a regulator can set our whole operations back. You see, I'm in pharma. You probably know we didn't have the normal 8 to 10 years to get our COVID-19 vaccine to market. We had to go from research to distribution with the best coordination we could. That meant scrambling to handle delays, missing components, changes in demand, and 100 other curveballs. As careful as we are, one small glitch at any point in the supply chain can mean disaster. We've had to throw out entire vaccine batches because of breaks in the cold chain. Part of the problem is our tech stack, or maybe I should say stacks. See, every step has its own applications, and there are a lot of them. R&D, clinical trials, production, lab testing, packaging, distribution. We do a lot of these steps ourselves, but we also work with a lot of partners too. The one thing we all have in common, we use a lot of data. We use it in different ways, in different applications, in different environments. To be honest, things can get lost in translation. The PI system lets data flow between stakeholders, each doing their part to solve the puzzle. We are starting to securely share certain data with our trusted partners, not just reports, but real-time operations data that can help them work better with us. We even get our regulatory approvals by sharing certain data streams with the government, so there's no chance of a digital disconnect. My manufacturing data can help retail planners anticipate product supply schedules. Their retail data informs our factory production and maintenance schedules, and clinical trial data can stream in real time back to research teams. We've even shared data with competitors so we can find a faster manufacturing process. It had to be done carefully because if you share too much, you're out of business. But with the PI system, we can control exactly who sees what when. PI has been around forever and connects with just about everything, so we can share data from our latest systems to our legacy systems. We can see data in real time or go back decades to do analysis. Maybe that sounds easy, but it's got to be designed for the special needs of OT, from compliance to unit conversions to notifications and on and on. But you don't have to be an OT engineer to understand it. I can share with executives or even our latest learning machine apps. And here's the funny thing about data. I've noticed that the more people who use it, the more valuable it becomes for all of us. It feels like finally we're all working on the same page. The puzzle pieces are fitting together into one big connected industrial economy. All working together to make the world run a little bit better.